with the help center. We're going to do a little bit of improv here that's called sound effects. So we're going to do kind of a skit here, and we need someone to do the sound effects for us. Yeah, we need 3 volunteers, one for each of us. Let's see. Yes, Kevin Blaylock, please come on out. All right, need 2 more. Let's see, Clint Bailey, yes. And 1 more. Ryan Helton, thank you for volunteering. Come on down. All right, so each prospective husband is going to do the sound effects for their wife in this situation. So the setup for this is that we're ready for camp. It's the first day of camp. So here we are, we're here together, showing up for camp. So here we go.
This is about how I packed this year.
All right, hey Kevin, hey, Clint, how y'all doing? I'm glad y'all came to camp this year. I'm really excited. Y'all gonna be counselors this year. You've been a great week this year. Y'all got your stuff, you packed everything you need for camp this year?
We'll see.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's see, let's get unloaded before these campers get here, because once they get here, it's gonna be chaos. So,
Oh, look.
what did you bring?
Scratch.
What just happened?
Shut up. We'll tell you when
I
it is.
just brought a whistle.
Lotion.
You brought a whistle. Well, make sure it works. Let's see.
Are you ready?
Oh, the whistle.
I don't think that's gonna get your attention. Let's try that again. Let's see what sound that's gonna make. Let's try blow it a little harder. I don't know. Let's try it.
Whistle. Okay. I think I had it backwards.
That makes sense. Sounds like you. All right, go ahead. Well, I guess I don't have to do so. Well, good thing I brought my air horn. So I think we'll be prepared. Let's see. I'm gonna blow this air horn, guys. Okay. Well, we gotta make sure it works. So, okay, ready? Right. That is gonna work. So, Clint, what did you bring? What should I play?
Jesus loves
Country Roads, obviously. Because Amber does that all the time. That's my favorite one.
Agreed.
All right, let's get it going. Let's give it a try and let's see how it goes. I said to play Country Roads. I think you got some bubble gum stuck in it.
All right, let me try again. Hang on. Think about it. How it goes. Okay.
Quiet.
One more time.
Is it a duck call?
Let me see if I can play it. Country Roads, right? Here we go.
I think we got the wrong thing. Let's see. I'm gonna try and let's see. I think you're holding it backwards, to be honest. I don't think they've ever used it because we were born. All right, here we go. Country Road. That's just a little sample there. I can't see the rest. Yeah. All right. So Kevin, we're gonna have to get up early. Did you bring an alarm clock? I think I forgot one.
Yes, I have an alarm clock and it plays my favorite Star Wars things. Would you like to hear it?
Yeah, of course. It's my favorite.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, please go ahead.
And play. It's the only way I like to wake up in the morning.
Well, I brought my sound system. Yeah, the kids on the porch. We gotta wake them up, so I'm gonna play my favorite song that I love to wake up to, obviously, to get them all crunk for the day. All right, let's play it.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie or hurt you.
That's okay. That's
squishy. When I sleep, I really like to listen to the whale noises. Whale noises.
It wasn't turned on.
Wow.
Yeah. So, this week's really tough because I had to leave my kids at home. I got Elsie here, and that's great. I get those hugs and all that, but Willow and Ruby couldn't come, so they sent this with me here to remind me of them. So, but it's a Build-A-Bear armadillo. It's got a special message from Ruby and Willow. So, you want to hear it?
Yes, I do.
It's kind of embarrassing, but okay, here you go. I'm going to squeeze it. Mommy, 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 mommy. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I won't get it.
So it's funny you say that because my husband actually gave me my wife. I'm sorry. I'm a man. I am Clint Bailey. So she actually gave me this stuffed basketball and left a special message for me as well.
Man, I'm not on lotion. Babe, do you have scissors? I need to get the top of this lotion off.
That's interesting. Mariah also gave me a stuffed animal from Build-A-Bear, and she paid a ridiculous amount of money to put a stinking sound in it. But when you press it, it says...
Alright, stop, collaborate, and listen. I expect the brain with attention, something. Got to hold me tightly, like a phone with 3 day nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights, and I'll go.